So just a few moments ago, we just went ahead and went through all of this information for today, but sitting here in the tray, we have all of my finds from today. All of this material is gonna be unloaded through my Whatnot shows. If you want any access to this, you're probably gonna have to hop on between tomorrow and Wednesday. Otherwise, it's gonna be a whole new slew of inventory by the end of the week. But just to kind of show you what we have a bag of $9 face right here. We have a bag of $half, more bags of $half. These are piece dollars here, Morgan's, piece dollar or Walking Liberty halves, all Mercury dimes here, more Walking Liberty halves and some quarters, guys. So all of this, all silver right now. This is today's find. So what I do is I go out and I find other dealers, I find people that are looking to unload the silver, and I go through each and every single piece. That way I'm only bringing what I feel is good material for my customers to buy. I hand select each individual piece. I put each coin in a flip for you, so that way each coin is treated as its own unique piece, because they all are. So once again, I'm never gonna sell you something that I myself don't believe in. And if I'm just trying to unload something, I'll tell you. But at the end of the day, all of this right here, I invest my own real hard-earned money into. That way we can give you guys the highest quality products, the highest quality buys, and hopefully we can create a good relationship and keep this thing going. So let's give you a closer look at what we got. All right, guys, so I went ahead and just put everything here in the tray for you. So just to kind of give you a good look at what we got, a ton of pre-1940 and pre-1930 Mercs. No Rosies in here. A lot of piece dollars, non-22s, non-23s, non-24s. Bunch of Morgan dollars in there. A ton of higher grade Walking Liberty halves. There's a few Franklins in there. Some older date Walking Liberties. A lot of really fun stuff, guys. Some proof quarters over there. One Barber quarter. A few Barber dimes. But this is some of the fun stuff that's going to be coming. This is just a little bit of it. This is just today's finds. Stay tuned for more.